Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and pairing quickly so you can test features. First, plug the case into a USB source and charge until the LED shows full. This prevents interruptions. Once charged, open the case and remove earbuds to auto power. If they don't enter pairing, press and hold the case button for 3 to 5 seconds to make them discoverable. Then, on your phone, enable Bluetooth, scan, and select JBL Tune 130NC. Once paired, make sure audio routes to the earbuds before moving on. Once paired, configure noise control and controls so you get predictable behavior. Open the JBL Headphones app to update firmware and choose ANC, ambient, or off. This is critical because firmware adjusts ANC curves and call performance. Learn the touch gestures: short taps for play/pause, double taps for next, press and hold for voice assistant, or ANC toggle depending on settings. Also, check fit. Proper seal improves ANC and bass. So try different tips and retest calls and ambient transparency to verify settings. To finish, adopt simple daily habits and no quick fixes so you avoid interruptions. After each use, return earbuds to the case to auto power off and recharge. This preserves battery and keeps pairing stable. If you experience dropouts or weird behavior, reset the buds by placing them in the case and holding the pairing button for about 10 seconds, then repair. If one earbud is quiet, make sure contacts are clean, firmware is current, and recheck fit. These steps resolve most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.